The purpose of this video is to show you how to put your grades into the Excel file, and then it'll be a different video to upload them to Bookmark. So let's begin. So here are the files that you should have received. It says Excel, so open this folder called Excel. Now, just to show you, here are the different curriculums. You'll look at the curriculum number. This is one curriculum here that I have, and then here's a second curriculum that I have. And just to explain, so in Bookmark, this is going to be 01, this is test 1, 02, test 2, test 3, test 4, and then this is the last 20 points, okay? So we'll begin with 01. So 01, this is test 1, the first 20 points, and this is for all my classes in one curriculum. So here, this is the class number. So I teach Madium 4. This is Madium 4/1. And then this is Madium 4/1 Student 1. Madium 4/1 Student 2. Madium 4/1 Student 3. So that's what these numbers here mean. These are nothing. Okay? Don't put anything in these columns. Leave these blank. This is where you want to put your grades. Okay, so here is my grade sheet, and I have my 20 points all set up in test 1. So now these are my different classes. So I go and I copy this first set, and then I go to the file, and if I right click and go to paste options, I can say paste as, oh, there we go. See those numbers? That's what I want. So the 0, 0, 0, this is not going to work. Values, that might work. Paste link. Now let's just do values. Alright. Now I need to double check to make sure that this lines up. So this is the last student in my Madium 4/1 class. And here we go. Okay, so it's matched. So there's no, it's not a different number of students. Okay, so that's the first problem, the first issue you should check for. Is it the same? If this last number ends up here, I go, oh no, okay, I have a problem. Somehow I'm missing 4 students, or I have an extra 4 students, but there's a problem with the class list. All right. Okay, so then I go to my next class, boop, 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 4/3, again, test 1. Right click, copy, and then this is /3, and I paste as values, boop, 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 and there we go again. So it's the last student in that 4/3. So I do this for all my classes, and then I save it, okay? And then do the exact same thing with the file, test 2. And for test 2, in my grades, I would go here, and then I copy and paste all these grades from test 2. All right? That's it. For midterm, that's it. After midterm, for the final grade, you'll do 3, 4, and then the final mark, which think of it as 5. All right? Yeah, no more. That's it. Thanks.